Alright, Matt, so basically what's going on is, if you watch, we're going to get a little shut off and you'll see the red lights down at the bottom of the screen kick on for a split second. This is what's happening. It's like the ECU is just randomly shutting down for 2 or 3 milliseconds. And it happens randomly. There is no order to it. So it happened at the beginning of the video, if you want to go forward. There it is. We lose all signal, it drops for a split second, then we grab it. There it is again.